Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how to style a boyfriend denim jacket. I asked on Instagram what you guys would like to see for this week's video and this one out. Now when I went to my closet, I wish that I would have been more specific about what we meant as a boyfriend denim jacket. I consider this one to be a boyfriend denim jacket, but this also could be considered a boyfriend denim jacket. I don't know. So I wanted to do this one first because I have done lots of outfits with this one recently, but I do plan to make a video all around this one coming up soon, so be on the lookout for that. But before we go any further, if you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button. I'm the coolest chick on YouTube talking about Western style. Okay, so maybe the only chick on YouTube. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Once we hit that mark, I feel like we'll be able to do a lot more cool stuff here. When I was thinking about my tips and tricks for how to style this particular kind of denim jacket, I came up with 4 things that I tend to gravitate towards. Now these are not hard and fast rules. These are just the things that help me make a cute outfit. So the first thing is to remember your proportions. This jacket is very oversized, and so if you have something bigger on top, you want to keep your bottom half more streamlined and fitted. And so leggings, skinny jeans, and if you go with a boot cut or flare jean, just make sure that it's very fitted and not a wide leg jean. Again, there are always exceptions to those rules, but these are the things that I tend to think make it easier to wear this jacket. The second tip is to mix more feminine and classic items with the more trendy and masculine feel of the denim jacket. So here I have on a classic white button-up shirt. It may be a lace turtleneck or a skirt, but just to mix and offset the more masculine with the more feminine, the more trendy with the more classic. The third thing that I tend to do, since the denim jacket is very light wash, I tend to let it be my statement piece and keep my other items more subdued with darker wash, darker colors, so dark wash jeans, black leggings, and darker tops. The fourth and final thing that I tend to do when I wear this oversized denim jacket is to roll the sleeves. This goes back to keeping your proportions intact, and by rolling the sleeves, it helps make the jacket seem more fitted, and so you're not lost in the bulkiness of the jacket.
One of my most favorite ways to wear a denim jacket is with leggings. Here I've paired faux leather leggings with a classic flannel button-up tunic and a camo scarf, and then I have finished off the look with some fringe moccasins. I love how all these pieces come together to create a cool casual look. Outfit number 2, I started with dark wash trouser jeans and added a feminine lace turtleneck and a faux fur vest, and finished the look with a white toned squash blossom necklace and that denim jacket. I really dig how the denim jacket adds a really edgy vibe to this outfit. Outfit number 3 is a little bit of an exception to my rules with the lighter sweater and the white button-up, but since they're classic items and the denim jacket is under that cozy sweater, it really works great. And then I have paired it with dark wash skinny jeans and some tall cowgirl boots. I love this outfit. For outfit number 4, I started with some square toe cowboy boots, my favorite dark wash skinny jeans, and then for something fun and a little bit unexpected, I threw on my husband's classic white button-up shirt and paired that under a hoodie. I love how the sleeves are extra long and the shirt is extra long, so it peeks out from underneath my hoodie, and then paired that under my denim jacket. One of the favorite looks that I see on Pinterest with an oversized denim jacket is when it is paired with more formal items, so I've put my own Western spin on it here. I started with a classic pencil skirt, a black turtleneck, and black tights. I belted my waist and paired it with my favorite tall cowgirl boots, and then threw on my denim jacket. Love, love, love this outfit.
Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be on the lookout for my next denim jacket video, which will be all around my Levi's denim Sherpa trucker jacket. I plan to make a playlist of all of the denim jacket videos that I have made, and that will be in the description box below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.